Here's my fabric closet. I have my fabrics sorted by color mostly. I do have some that are sorted by category. It may be a section with stripes, another section with Christmas, another section that's tone on tones, another section that's large novelty prints that really don't fit into any of the other categories. But as you can see, it's very easy to find what I need. They are all folded and stacked in random order. Some are large pieces, some are small, but I can see even the small pieces, I can still see them the way that they're folded. I can see what I have and pull them out. And it really does work well. It's easy to fold, it's easy to locate what I need, and it's easy to keep my closet neat. As you can see from my fabric closet, I have many pieces of fabric, all different sizes, but they all stack equally on the shelves because of the way that I fold them. So I'm going to show you how I fold every piece of fabric, whether it's 3/4 of a yard or all the way up to about 4 yards. Once you get more than 4 yards, it's kind of hard because it doesn't bend easily. But up until that point, you can pretty much fold any piece and they will stack perfectly. So this is just a piece of fabric. I'm going to open it up. It's about 2 yards. I'm going to place the folded edge on a line on my cutting mat, only because I just want to make sure that I keep everything straight as I'm rolling it up. I'm using my 6.5 by 24.5 inch ruler. You can use your 6 by 24, whatever you want. You just need a long ruler that will show from each end. You've got to have some sticking out on the top and on the bottom so that you can pull the ruler out without messing up the fabric once you've folded it. I usually start about 5 to 6 inches from the end, and I fold that piece of fabric over my ruler. Then this is where I want to make sure that everything just stays lined up so it doesn't start to get skewed. And I'm just going to carefully fold it. Make sure it's tight. And then I'm going to keep pulling it over. And I want to watch along this edge, the top edge too, but the bottom edge is mostly. I want to just make sure that I keep that straight as I'm folding it over. The first fold can be a little loose if you don't pull it tight. Once you get going, it tightens up real easy. And I'm still just smoothing it out so I don't get a lot of wrinkles in there. I'm going to keep doing it all the way. Now I've got not enough to completely cover this. So I'm going to just fold that over. If you have maybe too much and you're going to show that raw edge, you can fold this piece here and then fold it if you want. But this works out well, just folding it over. Then I'll pull my ruler out. And then I'm just going to fold it in half. And again, it doesn't matter what size piece I have, yardage wise, they're all going to be this wide. They're all going to be this length. They'll just stack a little bit higher, a little bit lower, depending on the yardage. But it works really well to keep your fabric closet, your fabric shelves nice and neat, easy to find, easy to pull out and to replace.